My name's William. I've had the All-on-4s at My Implant Dentist. I start by cleaning with a normal toothbrush, which is good for the front and the back. I have to use this type of toothbrush to get behind at the back. It's ideal for getting rid of the scales at the back, which do build up. I use this type of floss in order to get any stubborn parts out. I have to feed it through, and obviously I have to find the right place because the implants block certain areas, so I had to get it in, and it's a bit fiddly, but once you get it in, it's just a question of pulling it through, and then you go along and do the next bit, do exactly the same thing, and the same for the bottom. You just feed it in underneath and pull it through. Pull it all the way through, and it gathers any parts that may remain after the flossing. Now we come onto the water floss, which I find is fantastic. It really does the job. I was advised by the dentist that I should use it on the highest level I can to get the maximum pressure. I use this last because there may be some small particles left, and it's quite high pressure, and we'll usually get rid of those. Also, it feels much fresher after using this. I floss and use the water jet twice a day. I also feel it's necessary to have professional cleaning every 6 months. I think it's necessary to follow these steps to prolong the life of the implants and keep them looking good, because that's what we actually want out of them, you know. So regular cleaning, regular checkups, and you'll have an enjoyable life with your teeth.